prevent cancers by reducing people's exposure to harmful chemicals. In 1993, the Massachusetts Department of Public Health published cancer rates in individual towns. Alarm bells went off when it was announced that breast cancer rates elevated in 11 of 15 Cape Cod towns, in spite of decades of clinical research. What was wrong? Members of the Massachusetts Breast Cancer Coalition wanted answers. They sought a new kind of study that focused on the role of the environment in the development of disease. And the Silent Spring Institute was formed, a tribute to Rachel Carson, whose book Silent Spring awakened the world to the risks of environmental toxins. They are a research institute dedicated to discovering environmental links to breast cancer and other conditions. Their overriding mission is to empower a revolution in environmental health to prevent cancers by reducing people's exposure to harmful chemicals where they live, they work, and play. Friends, this work is so needed. As we've discussed, the rates of chronic illnesses are skyrocketing. And with huge dollars spent on research, we have not yet gotten the rewards with a healthier population. Silent Spring's research is independent. Since its founding, the Institute has published more than 145 scientific papers in top journals, and its science has informed policies around the country. Some of their recent accomplishments. Number 1. On January 1, 2021, Massachusetts law was passed, which bans 11 toxic flame retardants in children's products, mattresses, household furniture, carpeting, and window covering. Silent Spring scientists provided the scientific foundation for the bill, along with testifying at multiple hearings and meetings with committee chairs. The Silent Spring Institute also conducted the largest study to date on fast food packaging. Fast food packaging often contains highly fluorinated chemicals known as HFAs that have been associated with cancer, thyroid disease, immune suppression, and more. Children are especially at risk because their developing bodies are so vulnerable to toxic chemicals. The study found that almost half of the burger wrappers and pastry bags contained fluoride, which is a marker for HFAs. This is a real warning for us, as 1/3 of children consume fast food daily. The good news, the U.S. is phasing out PFAs in consumer products, but PFAs from consumer products accumulate in landfill sites and can migrate into groundwater, potentially impacting drinking water supplies, so it remains a problem. Currently, PFAs are allowed in compostable food packaging, which can affect levels in soil and crop plants. Clearly, it should not be used at all. Thanks to Silent Spring Institute for their scientific work and policy activism to help shape environmental policy with people's safety in mind. We will keep you posted on advances from the Silent Spring Institute. Be well, be safe, and be informed. Thanks.